In today's video, I'm going to teach you to combine reference images to create AI art in Midjourney V4. We'll do everything inside Discord, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to feed Midjourney 2 images and guide it to blend their ideas into a brand new artwork. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or browser. Head to your direct messages and open the conversation with the Midjourney bot. This is where all your prompts and images will go, and it's the place Midjourney reads from when creating images. Now, upload your 2 reference images one at a time. You can drag and drop them into the chat or use the plus icon to select them. Send the first image, wait until it fully appears in the chat, then send the second. Uploading them separately ensures each image has its own link, which you'll need in a moment. Next, copy the address of each image, click on the first image to open it, then right-click and choose Copy Link or Copy Image Address. This link tells Midjourney exactly where to fetch the picture from. Do the same for the second image. If you ever get an error later, it usually means the link wasn't copied from the opened image, so make sure you copy the link after you've clicked to view it. In the message box, type Imagine prompt. You'll see a prompt field appear. Click into that field, paste the link to your first image, add a single space, then paste the link to your second image. After another space, describe what you want Midjourney to create. Be clear and specific. Talk about the subject, style, mood, colors, lighting, or any artistic vibe you're aiming for. Keep your description natural, as if you're telling a designer what to make. The 2 image links act as your visual references, and your words tell Midjourney how to combine them. Press Enter to submit. Midjourney will queue the job and begin generating. You'll see a progress percentage as it works, and after a short wait, your image grid will appear. That's your blended concept based on both references and your description. A few quick tips while you wait. If a link doesn't seem to influence the result, double check that the image was uploaded in this chat and that you copied its link from the opened view. Keep your prompt concise but descriptive, and remember that the order of the image links can subtly affect the outcome, so feel free to switch them if you want a different emphasis. That's it. 2 images, 1 prompt, and a clean, guided blend in Midjourney V4.